Landlines, tin cans with bits of string, everything. Absolutely everything. No phones, phones all broken. Hello? Anyone there? No, because the phones aren't working.
Nothing, dude.
Hey, are you getting anything?
No, nothing. Well, at least it's rather nice to know you're wanted, isn't it?
Let me have your attention for a moment. Let's talk about something important.
Where is it? Come on! Where is it?
This is it. Wait, what? What?
No! 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 No!
Still on hold. Can you hold for a sec? Hold on.
Please hold.
Listen, can you hold for a sec? Can you just hold on for a sec?
Could you please hold on a sec?
Okay. Hold, please.
I'm waiting!
Could you just hold, please? I'm terribly sorry.
I can hold.
Oh, I see.
You better be right.
Wasting my time. This may not be quite the right time for this sort of thing.
Oh, man. Don't hit me with them negative waves so early in the morning.
It'll work. I know it will.
Good luck. Thank you.
With all due respect, sir, you're beginning to bore the hell out of me.